All right, I'm in the process of hooking up the transmission linkages, and so I'm on the driver's side front looking to the rear. I've got, the first thing I'm going to do is hook up the interlock linkage. I've got a couple of clamps I need to put on to hold this linkage to the transmission. The first one is up front here. The second one goes to the back. I will include the assembly instruction manual page. It's section 7 B5 to show how that goes. So I'm going to do that first. I've got to remove one of the cover bolts to put the first clamp in, and then in the back there's a bolt in the back here that holds the tail shaft on to the casing. That gets unbolted, and this clamp here goes up into the back. Once I'm done with that, I will put the reverse linkage in place, and I'll cut back to that once I get all this in. This is what the front clamp looks like for the interlock linkage. This one is the one that goes to the cover here. Okay, the cable is in place and the nuts or the bolts have been put in loosely. Last thing to do is to clip the end of the cable to the bracket here. Come on. Yeah, easier said than done. There's the groove. Okay, I'm going to do that off camera. I can't do it one-handed. But it'll go right in the groove where the metal part is there. Alright, you can see where the clip is now. Right in the end there. Okay, now just to tighten up the bolts on that connection. All right, the interlock cable is now all tightened up. Next, I will put in the reverse lever. It's been actually installed. I just need to tighten this up, and then I also need to pin it using this wacky pin in the back hole here. Right there. So it goes in, that straight piece goes into the hole, and the top clip goes on the top. So see if I can do this one-handed. Yeah, that pin is now in, so it's not going to come out. Now let's see. There. The pin's in. Same way as shown here on the back side of this one. Okay, all the linkages have been tightened up. I've also installed the backup light switch and the reverse. This is basically the reverse switch ground that goes into here. So all the wiring has been put back in place now. I've got just this rod, this really thin rod comes off of the reverse bracket, and that is what actuates the reverse backup lights. So I think I'm done with the levers on this side. Oh, one other thing to note with the levers, I did not make any adjustments to the levers. I didn't need to, because when I took, this is the original transmission, and I did not make any adjustments at all to any of the linkages, so no changes were made. Okay, next step, I got to get on to